So hello everyone. So this is the first part of our application. That is, this is the website portal that the admin will use to check the progress and the working of the different ASHA workers. So the admin can log in using his login credentials, and if he does not have a credential, then he can get one by going to the sign up page. So after successfully signing in, the admin will first see the workers page. So the workers page will have information regarding all the ASHA workers, that is in total how many ASHA workers are there, and district wise he will be able to see the ASHA workers. That is, here we can see there are two districts, that is Ramnagar and Rampur, and each of these districts have two and three ASHA workers respectively. So if he clicks one of the buttons, then he will be able to see the details of the ASHA workers and their respective information such as email, location, phone number, registration date, etc. Next is the people tab. So in people's tab, the user will be, or the admin will be able to see the number of people that are present in the database, or that is these are the people whose information is collected by the ASHA workers using their mobile applications. So these are the information of people, that is name, age, gender, Aadhaar number and the registration. So by clicking on each person, we can see information such as the first name, last name, gender, age, Aadhaar number, bank account number, lung disease, heart disease. So this is the information of the survey which the ASHA worker takes in their respective villages. So similarly, there is a houses tab also, where the admin can see list of houses, and he can also see the members present in each house once he click the individual buttons. The fourth one is the resources tab. So in this tab, one of the responsibilities of ASHA worker is to distribute resources such as first aid kits, medicines and vaccines. So using this tab, the admin can check if there is a requirement of any vaccine or first aid kit or medicine to the ASHA workers, and if any ASHA workers request one of these resources, then he can also see the name of the resource and the amount and the quantity in which it is required and the reason behind it. And the final one is the emergency notification tab. So using this feature, the admin, if he wants to send a single important message to all the ASHA workers, suppose this might be about the surprise visit of the district officer to their village or something like that, then he will be able to send this. He will be able to send that information, that important message, to all the ASHA workers using this tab. And here the admin can change his credentials and information. So this was all about the first part, that is the website portal which the admin can use. So this is the second part of our system, which includes an mobile application which the ASHA worker can use to fulfill her responsibilities and to carry her work very efficiently in a completely digital manner. So our app is named Patrika. So when the ASHA worker opens it, she can if the ASHA worker has successfully logged in, then she will be able to see the screen where first of all she can take surveys of the people in her village. So by going on the survey page, she can take the survey of people by adding or inserting the values of the people such as their name, district, sub-center, village, some information about their house, whether it is kacha or pakka, whether it has toilet or not, water source categories, etc. Then she can also add information regarding the members of the family and their details such as bank details and Aadhaar card number. She can also provide information if there is a married couple, and if the married couple is expecting a baby, or if they are facing any problems during delivery or not. So all this information is taken by the survey option, and all the people whose survey is successfully taken can be seen in the people section. So these are here the ASHA worker can see all the previously surveyed people. One more feature is the resource page. So one of the responsibilities of ASHA worker, as I mentioned earlier, is to distribute resources in the village. So the resources may include first aid kits, medications, vaccines, etc. So this feature will be helpful for the ASHA worker to take a note of the available resources of it, like resources for her. If she wants to allocate a resource to a particular person or a particular family, then she can also allocate it by adding some information. And if she is low on stock, then she can request for a restock. So she can list which particular resource she wants, and this request is sent to the admin, who can use the admin central portal, that is our web application, to accept or to approve or disapprove the request. And the last feature is notification, where the ASHA worker will be able to see any message, urgent message, or broadcast information, or uh, uh, event information which the admin wants to convey. And this application is available in English language, as well as for now in Marathi language, which is a local language, for the convenience of ASHA workers. So suppose if there are ASHA workers who are not very educated and want to work in their or want to work in their local language, that is Marathi, then all the options gets converted into Marathi, and it becomes easy for the ASHA worker to work.